Is it still worth learning Flutter in 2025? Let's dive right in. So, with so many new frameworks popping up all the time, you're probably wondering, should I learn Flutter now, or is it too late? Well, let's break it down. First, we'll take a quick look at what Flutter is all about, and then we'll dive into whether it still has a place in the developer world in 2025. Flutter, if you don't already know, is a framework by Google that lets you build beautiful apps for Android, iOS, web, and even desktop, all from a single codebase. It's built using the Dart programming language, and it's loved by developers for its speed, flexibility, and powerful performance. Back in 2023, Flutter was everywhere. Companies loved the idea of reducing development costs while still delivering native-like performance. With hot reload, amazing UI components, and easy-to-understand documentation, it felt like the perfect framework for both new developers and seasoned pros. Fast forward to 2025, and Flutter is still going strong. In fact, Google has doubled down on Flutter with more updates and support for even more platforms. Think foldable devices, and support for emerging tech like AR and VR. So, is it still worth learning in 2025? Absolutely. Here's why. First, the demand for cross-platform development is growing, and Flutter's unique ability to handle multiple platforms with a single codebase is a huge advantage. Developers are looking for ways to speed up development, and Flutter delivers. Additionally, let's not forget about the salary potential. Developers with expertise in Flutter are in high demand, and the average salary for Flutter developers has been consistently higher than many other technologies. Also, with Google continuing to support Flutter, it's safe to say that it won't be going anywhere anytime soon. In fact, it's only getting better. Now, don't get me wrong, there are alternatives like React Native and even newer frameworks like SwiftUI for iOS and Jetpack Compose for Android. But what makes Flutter stand out is that it's consistently updated, it's well documented, and has a huge, active community. So, who should learn Flutter in 2025? Well, if you're someone who wants to create beautiful apps quickly and efficiently without learning two separate languages, then Flutter is your best bet. It's also perfect for developers who want to work across different platforms without rewriting code for each one. To sum it up, yes, Flutter is absolutely worth learning in 2025. It's fast, it's flexible, and it's here to stay. Whether you're just getting started or looking to upskill, now is a great time to dive into the world of Flutter. If you're serious about learning Flutter, I've got something special for you. I've created a full playlist on the channel that takes you from beginner to advanced Flutter, covering everything you need to know to get started, from scratch. And if you're ready to build real-world apps, check out my tutorial where I show you how to create amazing apps in just a few hours. These resources will help you get up and running fast. So, if you want to dive deeper into Flutter, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below. Are you ready to learn Flutter in 2025? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.